got some bedsides to look at, and eventually this is going to need all the rails done. You see, this is kind of let's just say it's seen better days, huh? Yeah, that one's left to chat. Can't really see it over here now, but the other side is just as bad as this one. So we got some extra air conditioning there that we don't really need. So we're gonna chop this out and see what we can do. Now, I actually ordered, you can get them two ways. You can get just the top piece here. I don't know, I think they're like $60 or $65 or somewhere around there. I thought when I originally looked at this that I thought the corrosion was going to go well into this area here, but it doesn't really look like that. You can kind of see, well, it does a little bit. But that's still like right there. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna cut out this one side, bust out the little whiz wheel, and put it on time lapse and see what it looks like when we rip it out. Well, there we go. Here's the other side. Cut out. Well, at least started to be cut out anyway. Yeah, so I cut out the middle section. And I'm gonna lay this down so I can actually, work on it in a normal fashion, but I figured it'd be easier to cut the shit out like this, and it seemed to work okay. Again, you can see it goes right like I was talking about earlier. I thought the corrosion went a little past the center section, so I don't know. I think there's only a handful of spot welds to get that whole panel out, that section there, and I have mine. I bought the full wheelhouse, so I might just blast out those spot welds there. I got a spot weld bit. Didn't matter if I ground out of these because that metal was getting thrown away, but this one I'm going to try to save. So, yeah. And then we'll get back onto that side and move this thing around some more. All right, carry on.